In this video, I'll show you how to export a report from Salesforce CRM step by step. To begin, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're signed in, go to the Reports tab where you can access all of your saved reports. Next, open the report that you want to export. For this tutorial, we'll use the Contacts report as an example, but you can export any report you need. The process is the same for all reports. After opening the report, locate the inverted triangle next to the Edit icon and click on it to open the Additional Options menu. From the drop-down menu, select Export. You'll now have the option to choose between Formatted Export, which keeps the report formatting, or Details Only Export, which exports only the report data. Select the option that best suits your needs. Finally, click Export, and Salesforce will generate and download your report. And that's how you can quickly export a report from Salesforce CRM.